The Clever Frog is a story about a little frog who was very tired and feeling very hot. He was searching for a place to rest, but suddenly he saw a tiger sitting under a tree. He was very afraid that tiger will eat him up. But on the other hand, he was very clever also. So let us see how cleverly he saved himself from the tiger and stay alive. Before we start the lesson, let us see some opposite words. The first one is hot. The opposite of hot is cold. What do you mean by hot? Hot means garam. The fire is hot. Cold. Cold means thanda. C-O-L-D. Cold. Ice is cold. Ice cream is cold. Next is wet and dry. What do you mean by wet? W-E-T, wet. Wet means गीला. भीग जाते हैं, बारिश आती है, we get wet. Clothes are wet and mother hang it on the rope to make it dry. So wet means गीला and dry means सूखा. The spelling of dry is D-R-Y. Opposite word is dirty and clean. Now what do you understand by dirty? Dirty means ganda. Now what is the spelling of dirty? D-I-R-T-Y. Clean means saaf. Neat and clean boy. So clean, C-L-E-A-N. The opposite is dirty. The opposite of dirty is clean. Next is clever. Clever means smart. C-L-E-V-E-R. Chalak person. Stupid means a person who is not very smart. That is S-T-U-P-I-D. So the opposite of clever is stupid. You all know water is very important for all of us. Not only for human being but also for animals and plants. They also require water to grow. Without water, human being, animals and plant cannot live. So there are different sources of water like lakes, ponds, oceans, sea. Now the question is, from where do they get water? They get water from rain. So there are 4 different types of sources of water, and these sources of water get water from rain, which is very important for all human beings, animals and even for plants to survive and or to grow. I told you that water is very important for human being, plant and even for animals. Without water, we human beings, plants and animals cannot survive. They cannot live. So now we are going to learn about different sources of water. That means from where we get water. So the first source is lake. Lake is what? Lake is a large water body. Large water body means it's where there is a lot of water. बहुत बड़ा area में there is a water. You can see in the picture. It's a large water body. Next is stream. It's a small body of water that flows into the larger body of water. That means एक बहुत small water body होता है जहाँ से large water body से the water comes and flows down. Next is ocean. Ocean is also a large water body and it has salt water. Salt means namak, or the taste of the water is very salty. And one more water body is there, that is pond. And pond is a very small source of water. And so pond means when the water get collected, when there is a lots of rain and the water get collected, that forms a pond. So these are the different sources of water, that is lake, stream, ocean and pond. I told you